Welcome back. This is our MRS22 Spring 2023 final part 1, question 3 actually. Hope you watched the other videos and hope they're being helpful. So this one is a two-way table, actually more than a two-way table. It looks like in this case it's got males and females, but also comedy series, drama series, reality series. So results of a survey of a student by Central High School about television viewing preferences are shown below. Now, if a person chose random from the survey, what is the probability? And so now we'll take a look at this. What's the probability that A, it'll be a male given as someone who views reality series? Now, this part here, given that someone who views reality series. Okay, the part that follows given, so the part that follows given is our denominator. Our denominator for, in this case, the probability. Oops, I can't spell. Sorry. Denominator. There you go. Okay. So what does it mean? Okay. So given that someone views reality series, so we're looking at the reality series and we circle this particular column because that's what we're focusing on. We're focusing on the reality series. And so here our denominator is going to be 180 for the probability because the probability is a fraction or percent. Now it will be male will be the numerator. So we're looking in this column of reality series, how many males were there? And it looks like 70. Therefore our answer is going to be 70 over 180 or 7 out of 18. So whenever we have this conditional probability, because the conditional probability talks about how not just the total, but listen, if we're only choosing from a particular group, from that group, what's the probability this occurs? Okay? So hopefully that makes sense. All right? So now I'm going to erase this here because we'll look at another question. All right? Now our next question is asking, a person who watches reality series, given it's male, so this time around, I'm going to here, given that the person is a male. So now our denominator is focusing on not on the reality series, but on that if we choose a male, and so therefore we're leaving all the females out, just a male here in this case. So our denominator for this would be 230. Sorry, a little in the corner here. And then watches a reality series. So given as a male is going to be a denominator, watches a reality series is our numerator. In this case, it's still 70. So 70 over 230, which means our answer would be 7 over 23. Okay? I'll make a full page so you can see a little better. All right. Now for question number, part C in this case, for number 3. A person who does not watch comedy series, given they're a female. So now let me just erase the previous problem here. And now focus on our denominator, given that they're a female. So this time around, we're looking at only if we're choosing from the group of females. So that means, again, our denominator will be females, which is 260. Now for the second part. I'm going to actually use a little space here. So 260 is our denominator. But our numerator is speaking about does not watch comedy series. So not comedy series, but everything else, which means take 70 plus 110. Because the total will be everyone who is not watching comedy series will include both those groups. So our answer is going to be 180 over 260, which is the same as 18 over 26, which is the same as 9 over 13. Okay? And so this one is, for the most part, again, of all the conditional probability material, if you see the word given, that usually means in this case that our denominator is not going to be the total of everyone, but only of that particular group. And then our numerator is going to be where in that particular group, what they're asking for there. So kind of like the and in this case. So just to know that how to read these tables and conditional probability. Okay, I know conditional probability can be a little bit weird because we're not, we have to kind of focus on some of the cues and the words they give and all, like given in this case. So hopefully we will catch that, and we'll see some of this and all. Be very careful when we do these problems now. Okay, all right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this shorter video, because hopefully it's straightforward for some of you guys and all. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, okay? Please leave any comments that you have questions about, comments, or even like, things that you thought were helpful, all right? And of course, if you stick around for the whole video, like the video and subscribe if you have not done so already. Thanks so much, everybody. I will see you in the next one. Take care.